friends. So here I am, chilling on the beach, 7 Mile Beach in Negril. I wanted to take a moment to thank all of you guys and to thank Marwa for putting me on. He's a real one for that, and you guys are saying it in the comments. He's a real one for putting me on. Words cannot express my gratitude for this opportunity, for all of this, for everything. And I promise to keep pushing and pushing and pushing and improving for you guys, because I really want to make this, passion. I want to share it with you guys. I want to share my passion of traveling with you guys, and I want to bring you guys with me, and I want you guys to experience the world with me. If you are unable to travel, or if circumstances are just a little bit different for you, I want to be the beacon for you to kind of just share the world and share my experiences, because I am just a little single girl, 22 years old. Just here, I have the world at my feet, and I want to bring you guys with me. Again, I am going to keep pushing and striving to be the best version of myself for you guys, and continue sharing my life and my adventures with you. And so, yeah, all right, you guys, and that's all I have for now. But for the rest of the video, just enjoy the 7 Mile Beach here in Negril. Yeah, this is my little swimsuit. I think you guys already saw it. I didn't wear it. Usually I have like different ones, but this black one, it's my old trusty. I bought it here in Jamaica. But yeah, all right, you guys. Later. Guys, look at this. Is a magic mushroom shop. The silly shop right here on the 7 Mile Beach. If you're into that, if that's your thing, I definitely would come here, check it out. I think they have like chocolates and stuff. And let's see, what is this? The glow dose. Interesting. So here's some different kinds of, oh wow, look, it kind of shows like the effects of that's really cool. YB caps are made of 100% natural mushrooms, which give you gentle euphoria, enhance senses, inspire your creativity, which I can attest to. Mushrooms are great medicine, you know. We'll make a separate video about my thoughts on that. All right, here we are. Irie, and Leno. This is the beautiful 7 Mile Beach. You see how blue it is, how beautiful. Look at this. Are you kidding me? It's so clear and it's so beautiful, you guys. There's some places to go over there. There's lots of boats, right? And let's see. What's over here? We're gonna go check this out over here. I think there's like there's lots of shops that you can come look at and see. Look at here, some boats. And what go on? Good morning.
I want to put you on my boat today.
On your boat?
Yeah, where you from?
I'm from Dallas, Texas.
Yeah, my brother live in Texas and Valley, coming tomorrow.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but I've been to Florida, I've been to Key West, Key Largo.
All right, yeah. I'm filming for YouTube. Say hi.
Hi.
On the boat?
I do the boat.
Oh, which one?
See the big one, it's not the boat.
Oh, it's a party boat.
Yes.
You want to shout out yourself? Do you have a business?
Yeah, man, we take people on the boat here.
What's the business name?
Yeah, man.
Yaman?
Yeah.
All right. You guys can come here on 7 Mile Beach and go on a boat ride with him. Party boats. All right. All right. So here's a little shop. I want to show you guys inside. There's so many cool little things here. Look at this. Lots of there's lots of jewelry and little purses. Oh, these are cute. I like these. Hello. Good morning. Do you mind if I film for YouTube?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, yeah, man. All right. I'm just showing around.
Yeah, that's okay.
Lots of. Do you have what's the name of your store, of your shop?
Okay, well, Mr. Fix It store.
All right, Mr. Fix It store. You can come on 7 Mile Beach and see this.
Yeah.
He has lots of jewelry and
Gold,
there's
scarves,
pipes and oh, these are cute. And there's swimsuits. There's lots of Bob Marley shirts and oh, over here, what do we have? This is so cool. Little wind chimes. These little wind chimes are so cute.
Sarong.
A sarong, yes, there's some
Yeah, some
sarongs
shorts
here,
here.
some shorts.
Some bucket
Oh,
hat.
these are cute, actually. These shorts, little bucket hats. Some dresses. Let's see what else there is. There's these. These are very popular. These little dresses and shirts. And there's some pants as well. These are pretty. All right.
Okay.
There's also these t-shirts, you know. Very cute.
So what is
Bob
smoke?
Marley.
Don't smoke.
I want to. Very nice, yay! You guys can come here and get massages. Look at this. Are you kidding me? Reggae massage. What is that? What does that include? Deep tissue, aloe vera, sunburn, sports massage, reflexology, hair braiding. Everyone's favorite. You know you have to come to Jamaica, get your hair braided. All right. Look at this. My shadow is in the way. Look at how beautiful this water is. You guys, if you have been here, you already know how much I love water. And I want to see water and oceans all around the world. And I will. Hello, Wagwan. Good to see you. I am filming for YouTube.
Oh, you're mine.
What?
My sweet sensei. Are you with them?
Yes.
I think so. What we want to do, I was talking about Deutschland. I want to do a portrait. I hope I'm not fainting. Oh. And we want to do a portrait of you.
A
In 10
portrait?
minutes, yes.
Oh. All right, guys. So we're here with, what is your name?
McGee.
McGee. He's
Yeah.
gonna draw a portrait of me.
Oh, yes.
We came to the understanding that he wants to draw me, and so here we are. And he's here on the 7 Mile Beach
Oh, yes,
in
I see.
Negril. Are you always here?
Yes, madam.
Yes?
Yeah.
All right. Well, let the people know.
All right.
And I am always so open to supporting artists. And yeah, all right. All right, so here it is. All right, thank you.
All right, the Lord bless
It
you.
was
And thank you
so-
for your kindness this morning.
Yes, of course, you know.
How people can find them
So
and
this is actually, I think this used to be a flyer
fly.
from a party from Dubwise.
Wow.
So you see, like it says sounds by Dubwise, reggae vibes,
Yeah.
Kingston, Jamaica, worldwide.
Yeah.
Like Trinidad, Ethiopia, Kenya. He
Oh,
was
that's
actually, I
Kenya.
think he was in Kenya actually.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not sure, I think
Yeah,
so.
yeah.
But
Look,
yeah, man,
Kenya
that's-
is right here.
yeah.
Whoa.
Ghana, Gambia,
Wise,
that's
Yeah.
the front.
Dubwise.
Yeah, big vibes. Big
So how can
vibes.
people find these t-shirts?
You can order it on the Dubwise Dubwise
websites?
page. I think
Okay.
it's dubwisejamaica.com.
So look.
You guys should come up.
Okay.
So like it's you order them from the US, so probably like
So if you're American, it's even much easier.
yes. If you're American, it's definitely easier. Alright, let me show you the other ones too.
This is our latest YouTuber.
Look who's here.
Guys, it's Maro here, and I feel really bad. My hair is totally a mess. I look like homeless. But thank God, I'll fix it anytime soon from now.
Yes.
And also, I'm going to Africa. You know, I have a guy who dedicates himself just to fix my hair in Nairobi. So I'm like, should I do it in Jamaica or just give that
Do
guy
it
a
in
chance?
Jamaica.
Yeah. Tell them Maro sent me.
Yeah, vibes, give thanks.
Right.
Hey, thank
Isn't
you.
it?
You guys
Worldwide.
have safe journey.
Yeah. All right. Goodbye, friends. Now it is time to explore some more. What is this? I'm afraid of the steam. Oh, it's not a steamer. It's some kind of grass.
Yeah.
You want to bring it? This is. I'm not afraid.
Everything she sees.
I.
She's like,
What? Not true. But I am taking the risk with my phone in the water. You guys.
gym, I swear, of Jamaica. Negril is the hidden gym. Look at the waters here.
Negril is. Yeah.
No, it's just like a swimming pool. You know, it feels. I don't even have to say it now.
It is like a swimming pool because the waves are calm. The
Yeah.
waves are so calm and it's so still.
Just look at mine.
Look at him, he's swimming. I want to go in, but
Oh, your phone.
I know, I'm being so careful.
Yeah. This is Marwa.
This is
Here in the Caribbean.
Enjoying, yes.
Please subscribe to a girl. Now, you know now, you should just focus on creating videos. And I'm telling you, the next 2-3 months, you'll see yourself on top of the world.
My life will be changed, guys. Let's change my life. Actually, no, because my life, I already love it. I love it and I love what I do. I live in my passion, but it amplifies, it amplifies, and I want to show the world everything, I want to show the world my experiences.
Yeah.
And
Hey, be careful of that music.
oh, there is music. All right, so we have this gym here. We have these little. This is crazy. Look at all these people. Crazy. So here they have Zumba, yoga, mushroom,
40 shots, 99.
rotten. Look at that.
$54.
Expensive.
2 coffee. Brother. Thank you, Papa.
Pretty. Wagwan. Hello. All right, man. Thank you. Is there so? Look at all. Oh, those are inappropriate. You see them?
Yeah.
What inspires your artwork?
My artwork is from nature. Nature inspires us.
Nature. All right. It's true. Nature.
Finish it fast.
Look at these beautiful little homes that you can stay resorts. Very tourist. Yeah, the water. Hey guys, so this is one of my favorite idol spots here. Super chill, nice vibe. Coconuts, oil, honey, bitters, the menu. The spirulina smoothie is so good. This one right here. And the veggie platter is usually what I like to get.
Will you drink, Daddy?
Hey guys, so I'm here, just finished eating. So hungry. He's hungry too. He got 2 plates.
Guys, I'm so full.
I'm so full. I had like 1.5 plates, no less. I didn't eat half.
I'm telling her I'm so full, like I'm behaving like a rich kid. You know, rich kids, they don't like to eat. So imagine, so say like this. Okay, let's act here, okay?
Okay.
So say like this. Eat!
Eat.
Man.
What?
Repeat again, you have to repeat.
Eat. I've never seen a rich kid act like that.
And they do like this.
I don't know who you.
Listen, like this. Oh, blah, 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 blah. They do the liquid here.
I don't know what kind of rich people you're around. But they're not around me. I'm so sunburned. I was in the sun. We were swimming in the water. We have these jellies, and they're so good. Really good for replenishing electrolytes and hydrating you.
Oh God, I feel so good, guys. You have no idea.
Yes, coconuts are so good for you. Like when you're out all day sweating and whatever, you know, in the sun, always find yourself a coconut somewhere. I'm so full. Like I could actually just like lay down and fall asleep like a goat, he says. His new name for me is Curry Goat, by the way. I don't know if we mentioned it, but since the first video, he's been calling me Curry Goat. So that's my new nickname.
Curry Goat.
No, don't call me Curry Goat. If you do, then no.
But you told the people already. So now they know the secret is
Okay, no, I'm not telling. I'm gonna cut this out.
No! I swear if she cuts out, guys, I will mention it on
I don't want Curry Goat. That's not cute. I want something cute like.
Okay,
like
choose. Goat matata or curry goat?
No, I don't want to choose between those. I want a pretty name, and you guys can come up with it. You guys will come up with a pretty name.
Guys, sorry, honestly, we're
Like-
just enjoying. and curry goat here.
I'm not Curry Goat. Stop referring to me like that.
Please tell people we agreed to call you curry goat because people may think I'm bullying you.
Yes, you are. He is bullying.
Please don't say that. They're gonna take this video to the internet. Yeah, I have some. I call them lazy people
Lazy.
who have time just to take small parts of my videos and post them. Guys, I'm just enjoying. Look how I look, man. I wanna teach you how to be like this on my masterclass, okay?
Anyways, so this is me.
What's the name of the restaurant? Yes, we are. You already showed them? It's called Kamara.
We're Kamara's, but I showed a different one because I like the one next door better. But this one had good food.
Honestly, I like this. It has good food and it's affordable. The other one, you can't predict the bill.
That's not true. It's because you were just ordering stuff after each other and you weren't thinking.
You know, in my home, 10,000. 10,000 is like
You were
20
like-
chicken running up and down. So when I paid the money, I said, wait, these are 20 chicken. I
No,
just
because you were like, give me another juice. I don't know, maybe you thought they were free, but
no, I don't like 300.
those are 900 each.
I drink 900. And a whole curry goat is comes here.
That's Jamaica for you.
Yeah, I like this one because they right, guys. You can see the.
Oh my goodness, my skin is
This
so
coconut in
red.
my home is 150 Kenyan shillings. How much is it here? 500. So you can imagine, if I was in Kenya, I would have had 3 of this. I'm not complaining, I'm just telling you, it's becoming expensive in Jamaica. I
Okay.
swear.
Let's keep the vibes positive.
It's
All
actually
right.
very good.
Let's keep the vibes positive. You know, we're here, we're helping these people. That's what it's about. We're helping, we're supporting them by buying their coconuts and by eating their delicious, amazing food made with so much love. All right.
No, I'm just saying this restaurant is cheaper. Avoid next door.
No, the next door is really nice where I told